Yeah man, viewers and subscribers, as you can see right now we're in the market. Yeah man. Viewers and subscribers, One Love Africa, we jump tour Africa. We're in the market, Parkland market. So it's just like in Jamaica, we have a place called Coronation Market. And there's many markets in Jamaica, but Coronation Market is the big market where you can go and get everything cheap. So right now we have Parkland Market where you can get everything cheap. Fresh, organic stuff. We're not talking about the GMO food. We're talking about organic food. Everything is natural. Everything is good. Watch and see what I talk about. Fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, fresh food. Look on these plantains. Real plantain from the tropics. Yeah. Avocado. Yeah. What's your name?
Richard.
Huh?
Richard.
You're the one selling these plantains?
Of course.
How do you sell these plantains?
200.
200 for how much?
kg.
Per kg?
Yeah.
And like 3, 4, 5 of them we can weigh 1 kg. Yeah?
Like this. It's like 1 kg.
So 200, it's like 1 kg.
Yeah.
It depends on the size. So maybe the smaller size, you get like 4 or 5. These are
6, 7.
Yeah.
Like this small size.
Oh, this smaller one. Yeah, these are the smaller ones. But the bigger ones is the real deal. I like the bigger ones. So Richard, where do you do your farming? Yeah. Where do you get your food?
Muranga.
Yeah. Oh, far. Like you're going to Mount Kenya. Yeah, man, I like that. So what else are you selling here?
Which one?
What else are you selling? What you selling? Avocado. Pumpkin. Some nice pumpkin. See? Pumpkin, real rich. Yeah, man. Okra. You're saying okra?
Okra, yeah.
Cucumber. Local. Yeah, I like local food. Everything should be local. I like it. Lime is good for your body.
Yeah.
Papaya. Yeah. I like what's going on. So you see, market life is the best life. So, as you can see, viewers and subscribers, we're there in the market to buy some stuff. Fresh vegetable. So John Tora.
Yeah, family. So we're there to do some fruits.
Grocery shopping.
Fruits shopping.
Yeah, man.
I mean, you know me, man love my fruits on the market. So it's a place where I have a nice watermelon.
Yeah, watermelon. Alright, watch out now. I'm gonna check the price of the watermelon, and these are organic stuff, natural stuff. You know, in the West, organic stuff in the States, most of these stuff in Europe and in the States, they're not organic. They're fake food, right? A lot of chemical, seedless, GMO. But here, everything have seed. If you want seedless food, you can actually get it in the mall, in the supermarket. But we're in the market where you can get natural food for cheap price. Like 100 US can give me 1 month out of fruits and vegetables. 100 US, 1 month out of fruits and vegetables. So let me ask how much for the watermelon, a whole watermelon. Let's see. So, how much is for the watermelon?
That's the guy carrying the
60. Huh? 60. So this is my mama over here. What's your name?
60 per kilo.
Esther. Okay, this is Miss Esther. She's a Kenyan lady. Very nice. You see, she's a hustler. She's not like some lady that's here, not hustling, not making money. She's a hustler. She make her stuff. So for the watermelon, for the whole melon, how much for the whole melon?
600.
600 for a big watermelon, right? The biggest one. And how much for half? Half is for 3. 300. So you see, people come look for Esther right here at Parkland Market. Ask anybody for Esther when you want fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, and everything have seeds, right?
Yeah,
seed, yeah. So nothing with seedless. We don't eat seedless food over here. Yeah, natural. So I will show these people what's going on. Esther, we're gonna get some watermelon from you.
Yes.
Pears, banana, grapes, everything. Everything is not tangerine, sweet potato, cabbage. This is the market I'm telling you about. Ginger. You want ginger? Yo, things is very cheap here. And I'm not telling anyone to leave their country and come to live here. I'm just saying in case they want to come here, in case they want to know where the places are to get the stuff them at Parkland Market in Nairobi. Or you can link up One Love Africa and I can take you guys around, because the local farmers, you got to support them. Support all local farmers and all the work that they're doing, because they're getting a hard fight. They need the support. The things are cheap, 50% cheaper than the supermarket, and some of the stuff them is 30 to 40% cheaper than the supermarket. And guess what? A lot of this stuff is real organic food. Organic food in the West, as I was saying from before, is too expensive. Like, how can you buy a watermelon with seeds in the West for 300 shillings or 600 Kenyan shillings? That's less than $5 for a whole watermelon. It's like $3 to $4 for a whole watermelon. So the local farmers don't support them. They need the support. You understand? Show you guys around apple and stuff. What is it?
This is the guy, Ricardo. He's gonna carry the stuff for you.
He's the guy that carries stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So you have a guy to carry your stuff in for you. You see? Pepper,
Right.
sauce company. Watch it. Yeah, man. Go through the market. Go through the market life. Yeah, man. One Love Africa, we not think twice. Buy embe, mango, that's nice. Watermelon, pumpkin, what? Girl tell me say she love the watermelon. Say they love the pumpkin, say they love the man. Sweet carrot, sweet orange and yam. Jamaican, in Africa. Yeah, man, potato, anything you want. Anything you want is right here. Anything you want. Fruits, vegetable, corn, season, spice is right here in the market. So make sure you support the local market, the local farmer. They get you what you want for the best deal. You see me? Yeah. So right now we just buy some mushroom. Fresh mushroom from the farmers. See it there? Mushroom! You can get it whenever you want. You come at Parkland Market. Grape, you have police button mushroom, and you have oyster mushroom. See the mushroom one, yeah? Yeah. What's your name?
Joseph.
Huh?
Joseph.
Joseph.
Yeah, Joseph.
Alright. So Joseph, how much you sell the mushroom for?
150.
150. Alright then, so if people want to ask, so which mushroom tastes better than which one? Do you know how to cook mushroom?
Yeah.
You cook? Alright. The man actually cook mushroom. I know. How do you cook your mushroom? How do you like it? How do you like to cook it? What's your recipe?
My wife used to.
Your wife? Oh, not you. But you eat it though?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, mushroom is very healthy. You know you can eat mushroom without chicken? Separated, no chicken. You can cook it just like chicken and eat it. Because I'm a chef and I cook mushroom. So the mushroom I bought from you, I'm going to make French fried mushroom. Yeah, man, French fry. So people have police button mushroom you can eat with steak. At my restaurant, when I used to be at Reggae Flavors, I used to have this mushroom and this one. On my menu, I have jerk mushroom, barbecue mushroom, escovitch mushroom, and I don't remember, deep fry mushroom. This one I use on the steak, like cream mushroom and steak. And pineapple mushroom, stir fry rice with mushroom. This one I use. So yeah, man, pineapple, everything is here. Just 150 shillings. Just 150 shillings. You get a pack of mushroom. You understand? For two servings for two person. It's not bad. It's actually good. So keep up. Buy your food. You understand? Get the natural food. Because everything is cheap. Everything is cheap. Coconut, everything is here. Cassava.
It's arrowroot, right?
Yeah, sweet potato.
How much per kilo?
This one 150, yeah 100.
150. Arrowroot. So this one we call dashi in Jamaica. If you know dasheen, here they call it arrowroot and sweet potato. Cassava, can't live on cassava, that hard to try. You want to say cassava we use to make bami or cassava dumpling. Cassava cake, boiled cassava, roast cassava, bami or cassava dumpling. Yeah. Just collect it. Here. See if I do so. We got the house to get back to you.
Store money on your mattress.
Yo, we don't put it on mattress, we put it on the house though. Sweet potato, fresh banana. The banana is sweet. Yo, Ramesh, remember when I was a little youth, you know? I remember when I was younger, maybe younger, when I was in Jamaica.
Yeah.
The banana in Jamaica is so real, you can stay 3 yards away and smell the banana inside the house ripe.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, nowadays, you can't smell it. Nowadays, beside the banana, them you can't smell nothing. You understand? So, people, I don't know if you guys know about bananas and stuff, but when I was living in Jamaica back in the days, when I was younger, sometimes you can know when banana in a people's house, right? Bananas. They can have a bunch of banana in the house, and my house could be like on the next block or like 5 houses away, even 2 houses away, and you can smell the bananas in the house ripe. Those are natural bananas. And sometimes I remember when I used to be when I was younger. Yeah, when I was younger, I'm like 6, 7. Yeah, 6, 7. I remember back in the days in the 90s. I used to get banana with seed bananas, black seeds. And when I grew up, before I used to tell people that I get banana with seeds, they didn't believe me. Yeah, banana used to have seed in it. I used to get banana with seed when I was younger. Jamaica. I'm here at town. I come from the market. I tell people, no one believe me. Normal banana like them with seed. I think a Gros Michel banana, one in banana there. Because you have different type of bananas. And no one believed me. Until, I think one day I was talking about it. Since I get big, older, I was telling someone about it and I do a research, and actually banana used to have seeds. Banana, the original banana, used to have seeds. So I wasn't talking craziness. And not because I was young, people advantage of me. So, oh, you're too young, you never know what I say. You can't remember so long. We tell people. Anyways, we're there, so cauliflower.
Cauliflower here.
Cauliflower, where you sell cauliflower? How much? See, they have cauliflower. How much is cauliflower?
Cauliflower kilo is 150.
Yeah?
150 a kilo.
150 a kilo?
150.
Cauliflower, nice. See there? 150 shillings.
150 per kilo.
Per kilo. Let's see how much this way. Oh, they have too much leaf on it.
That's 1.5, 225.
This one kind of pricey, you know. No, that's one I want. Yeah, one that's kind of pricey, too much leaves on it. But 150 per kilo, cauliflower. Let me get it.
So put somewhere.
That's so pricey, but it's cheap. Too much? Too much? No, too how much?
2 piece.
No, how much is it? 200?
220. 220.
Yeah. Here. Get one cauliflower. Shall I get some okra? You understand? So, show the people what I want. Cauliflower, cabbage, okra, greens. You wanna see? Greens. Yeah. Everything is there. Yeah, man. And the okras look nice. Need to buy some fish. Thank you. Yeah, man. So today I eat greens. No meat. No meat. No meat. No, I'm talking on the channel. No meat. Weekend. So, a Good Friday. Tomorrow. Easter weekend. Straight vegetable. For the whole weekend. No meat. Is it a fish or greens? As you can see, string bean and everything is here. Broccoli, string beans, avocado, bitter squash, everything. Lettuce, you have different type of lettuce. So you have to go to the supermarket to lettuce. See there?
Oh, it's a camera.
See? Greens. Mama selling all the greens. Healthy for your body. Come and buy the greens. Very cheap, right?
Yeah,
How much for the greens?
30 Jamaican dollars.
30 shillings.
30 Jamaican dollars, one of these. 30.
See? For a bunch. 30 shillings is very
In
cheap.
Jamaica, it's like all 500.
No, you can't have so much. No, what 100? So it's 30 shillings right here. Come and buy. You have string beans. You have lettuce. You can see different purple lettuce. I forgot the name for these lettuce. You know, everything is here. Don't be shy people, because spend your money. Watch it, pop chai. Spend the money, come buy. We need it. Yeah, my family, so we're in the market right now. I will come across a young talent. Say that he's an artist. He's an artist?
Yeah, artist, but I don't do English.
You don't do English?
No,
so what type of music you do?
Drop it in a Swahili, man.
What type of music?
Swahili is okay.
Alright, so here's the artist. Tell me your name.
My name is Jijo. Jijo.
Jijo.
Yeah,
Alright then, Jijo. AKA?
Msani.
Musani.
Yes.
Alright, Musani. What type of song you gonna sing today? What's the name of the song?
I can sing a love song.
Love song, freestyle.
Yeah,
Alright.
For Kikuyu like him.
Kikuyu.
Yes.
Alright then, run it. Kikuyu.
I'm a Kikuyu, man.
Kikuyu?
Yeah.
Alright then, let me hear the Kikuyu music, so everyone's gonna watch this. Go on, let me hear something.
I go now?
Right now.
I go now?
Right now.
Okay, let me do this. Atene toge tiga ni no gwede te kai mamo ga doko no tayage wa mwene iriga ni wone wa de wa hete na kai na mano gugo to maga mato fuate.
Yeah.
Iriga no de wa oria wa hete na kai na mano gugo to maga mato fuate.
Yeah.
Iriga ni wona na gikiga ate na mano ginya ni amaga ga kweda.
Yeah.
I
You
forgot.
finished already? Okay, you forgot your lyrics.
Can I do it again?
No. One chance you get, and that's it.
No, you give me
One
two
chance. No,
Give me
one
two
chance.
my
One
friend.
chance.
Two chance, okay.
Tell me what were you saying?
I'm talking about love.
Love.
Yeah.
You love the girl?
Not about all love, not because I love the girl,
Yeah.
because it's what do you call it? It's a passion.
Passion.
So I write the songs.
Oh.
I can write something I have not go through.
Oh, okay, so
Yeah.
you can write the music
Yeah.
about love.
About love.
So it's about a women.
Yeah, women. I can even write about the hustling.
Oh, so the freestyle.
Yeah.
Freestyle. What's your name again?
My name is Jijo.
How do you spell it?
Jijo Jijoh.
Okay, what's your next name? AKA
AKA Jijo.
Sani?
What?
AKA Misani?
Me, I'm Jijo AKA.
That's it. Jijo, AKA
But my name is Jijo Flavor.
Jijo Flavor.
Yes.
Bumbo clot.
Yeah.
Like reggae flavors.
Ah,
Bad thing. Yeah, man, you want a piece?
So
Alright
you
then.
coming like again?
He said he want me to give him a freestyle. So what do you want me to sing about? Sing about the market? Let me give you a freestyle about in the market right now. This is One Love Africa. Make sure you guys subscribe and share, comment what you want. But artists out there, young talent.
Yeah, man.
Like you want
Young
expose
talent.
Kikuyu.
Coming up. Yeah, Kikuyu, man.
Yeah, man, if you big up the Kikuyu artist.
Yes,
This is
man.
the first Kikuyu artist I've seen since I'm in Kenya. And we're right here in Parkland Market. Young talent. You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
You have YouTube?
Yes.
Tell them where to find you on YouTube.
You can find me at Jijo Flavor at YouTube. You can find me Jijo Flavor at TikTok.
Yeah.
Jijo Flavor, even Twitter.
Yeah?
And WhatsApp, either my number or
Yeah.
Kela.
So spell the word, the name again.
My name, I can spell the name is Jijoh and
Yes.
Flavor for the
And
flavor.
Flavor.
Yes.
Flava.
Yes,
Alright,
yes.
tell them this in Swahili, in Kikuyu language, so they can understand.
Yeah.
Tell them in Kikuyu language.
Okay, goko nä kuo thoko gwitå market itå ya haha city park haha Rimuru Road opposite Aga Khan gũkũ nĩguo tũkoragwo ndĩ msanii mũngĩni support ĩ sawa na no ngene mũno nĩ ndĩrageri kwĩyũkĩrĩria ndĩ wa nduthi thaa ici no maũndũ no marĩagĩra. That's good. Yeah, man.
So right now we're there in the market. Everybody question them, ask it. Yo, how we there in the market? Question the whole of them, ask it. We buy some yam, potato, banana. Irish we get pandikana. Cabbage we get no farmer. We sing Sanka, we link with the Gaza. Watch out, everybody. Yeah, man. That's a piece, you know?
Yeah, man. Good.
Yo, good energy, man.
Guy.
So
Thank you.
So make sure you like,
Yes.
subscribe, and you follow. Jam Tour Africa.
Jam Tour.
Africa, yeah.
Okay.
And One Love Africa.
One Love.
One Love, the number 1, LOVE, Africa.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
It's
So
okay, my friend.
Yeah,
Where
man.
can I find you?
I just tell you, Jam Tour Africa.
Okay.
Or One Love
Only
Africa.
there. What if
On
I
YouTube.
I want to call you. I want to.
When you follow me, you follow my page,
Yes.
you can send me a message.
I DM.
And we connect.
I DM.
Yeah.
It's okay.
And
My
there
guy,
you find my Instagram.
That's a good one.
Yeah, man. See there? There in the market.
Na mutu follow mtu wangu.
Straight from
Tujina
Jamaica.
abena kukulia tarada.
Straight from Jamaica
Very
to
fast.
Nairobi.
Thank
I'm
you.
a thing. We out.
Holland.